Welcome to DataVan channel. I hope everybody is doing well considering COVID-19 continues making its way through each country. It's a lot of changes that is happening in everybody's life, and it is the greatest case of isolation mental health challenges that people have starting to creep up. Do you have any concern, and what should people be doing to stay safe? DataVan is trying to help out of individuals coming to the hospital, university, gym, supermarket, and every community. Facelook Insight is the backend system bundled with Facelook X1 and past the 2000 placed at the entrances. It measures not only people's skin temperature accurately, but also determine if people are wearing masks. Here is the login screen. It supports different languages and shows the connected device's status is online or offline, and also access data from the day before. It tracks who's coming and going all the time at abnormal temperature records. You can manage the device information, check guest or staff access permission. An integrated access control system will allow the business to grant access to employees who need to enter multiple or all buildings or guests. If you would like to track the record for a specific date, just click the date and the system quickly listed out all information for that day. For optional, you could also manage staff's working hours by setting the clock in and out timing. Daily report including all required information will be sent to an assigned email account if it needed. The last button here is the settings. People will be ordered if the device is disconnected and able to check the running time of the system, the storage status, and also monitoring the CPU and memory status. Connect with DataVan. We deliver the new contact century and we build your point of service. Making smart choice. Interface including multiple access control, temperature tracking, device health monitoring, and reporting. Now, no worries about the keys. It's less complicated and open API utilized. DataVan is doing the best we could do to make us connected. So keep yourself healthy and see you next time. Bye-bye.